Good afternoon, everybody, and today we're going to be doing fire alarm test number 50 today. So this is the 50th test 7 years ago today, from fire alarm test 1 all the way up to 50. This is an extra system test. Not system test. And I don't even know what I'm saying, guys, but I am so excited for this test, and I can't wait to share it right to you guys. So, in today's test, we're going to be testing the Wheelock. So, let's bring it over to the back. We're going to be testing this Wheelock speaker strobe. But let's bring it over to the back. As you can see, let's zoom in. We're going to be testing the Wheelock ET1070-WM-24, and it has the same strobe as the Wheelock EHDL1WM24, but this is a speaker strobe, and it's in white. So anyways, this has a 117 candela strobe, and you could see it's 18 to 31 volts. As you can see by the label, this is the information on the sticker. And this right here is your wattage setting. So you basically unplug this wire and plug it into one of these posts right here to select your wattage setting. But we're going to leave it at this wattage setting. So let's zoom in on right here on the coil, the transformer you should call it. We have a chart. So E and F is 1.8 watts. D and G is sorry guys, that was my cell phone. So basically, this is the chart right here. So you basically see all the information. So you could pause the video if you want to read that. And let's zoom out. So this is basically the back of the device. And you have your holes on all four corners if you want to mount this on the wall, but this has to be in a deep back box. And here's your terminals right here. The terminals on the left are for the strobe, and the terminals on the right are for the speaker. So that's basically what this alarm is. Speaker strobe. And it looks the same as my Wheelock chime strobe that I've gotten from the hospital, and it has the same metal material, but the metal material on this thing is white, but the chime strobe one is red that I have. I'll do a comparison in another video at some point. Oh, and here's your Wheelock logo down here. You can see there's your strobe, the reflector, and the frosted lens. So anyways, let's get on with the usual test. Oh, and before we get started, let me show you the date code. So let me turn this device around. So the date code is the 33rd week of 1993. So this alarm was made later than my Wheelock chime strobe. So I figured I would throw that in the video before I forget. So anyways, that's the date code right here. Alright, let's set this alarm down, and let's turn on the power and fire up the strobe. So anyways, guys, let's go. That's bright. As always say, it's 117 candela. Very bright for a strobe like this. Let's take off the lights. turn back on the lights. Okay, let's turn it off. Okay, now we're gonna test the speaker and the strobe together. So anyways, I'm gonna first flip on the power and then play the Wheelock message, because this is a Wheelock device. So here we go. Are you guys ready? Here we go.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use the elevators. May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use the elevators.
Okay, that's enough of that. How about we play everybody's favorite message, the simplex voicey evacuation message. Here we go.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
Sorry, I have the messages in a playlist, but let's play the simplex voicey evacuation message one more time before we flip on to the pole station part of the test. So here we go.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
Okay. Let's shut off the strobe. And we're going to move on to the pole station part of the test. So anyways, here we go. And for the pole station part of the test, we're going to be using a simplex pole station. And yes, it's my first simplex pole station that my dad gave me, and I figured I would use this pole station for this particular alarm. And plus, I've seen a lot of simplex T-bars along with speaker strobes like this, but I've seen them in a hospital before. But so basically, let's go ahead and set it off. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. There we go. It's going off.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use the elevators. May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use the elevators.
lost business.
Sorry about the commercial, guys, but I'm playing the messages off of a YouTube video on my phone, but so anyways, let's take our key and reset the pull station. Get my simplex B key, insert it into this lock. Okay, now the pull station is reset. So anyways, on to the final part of the test. And for the final part of the test, we're going to be speaking into my handy dandy microphone, which I have right here. So we're going to be doing an all clear message with my fire alarm speaker. Here we go. Attention all building patrons, the fire alarm test is now over. You may resume normal activities and you can return into the building. Thank you. Attention all building patrons, this is an all clear. You may return into the building. Thank you. Yeah, that's basically what you hear on an all clear message, but I'm just trying to make sure I get the words right as best I can for these all clear messages. Or you could say, attention all building patrons, the fire alarm test is now over. You can resume normal activities and you can return into the building and directed to do so otherwise. Thank you. And somehow, if you want me to have a little fun, if I want to have a little bit more fun with my fire alarm speaker, my voice is coming out of a fire alarm speaker. So anyways, guys, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. And I'm very excited, guys, that I made this video for you all. The 50th test of all. So I wanted to make that perfectly clear with you guys, and I wanted to say thank you all for watching all these fire alarm test demo series all the way up to 50, but more fire alarm tests will be coming up soon, and I guarantee you this, guys, it'll be awesome, and I'm hoping to make this tests series as best I can get them. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please hit the notification bell if you want to get notified for a new video to be released. Thank you very much, everybody, and I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell, and thank you very much. See you later. And again, guys, see you later.